Creating a dynamic choice field. I'm having some trouble trying to understand how to create a dynamic choice field in Django. I have a model set up something like. What I'm trying to do is create a choice field whose values are the waypoints associated with that rider, which would be the person logged in. Currently I'm overriding init in my forms like so. But all that does is list all the waypoints. They're not associated with any particular rider. Any ideas? Thanks.
You can filter the waypoints by passing the user to the form init. From your view while initiating the form, pass the user. In case of model form,
There's built-in solution for your problem, model choice field. Generally, it's always worth trying to use model form when you need to create/change database objects. Works in 95% of the cases, and it's much cleaner than creating your own implementation.
The problem is when you do. In our update request, the previous value was lost.
You can declare the field as a first-class attribute of your form and just set choices dynamically in _init_. This approach also works with a model choice field. This approach is superior if you are using a model form and want to override choices of an auto-generated field.
Everyone, the same way. Прежде чем переключить